Is your wedding day approaching, and do you need help in putting together the perfect wedding day? Well, if so, we've got the event for you. It's the next Louis Copeland Wedding Masterclass. Now this time we've chosen to go for a virtual event. It'll be hosted across Zoom, and the idea is that you guys sit down, have a date night together at home and listen to us talk through all the hints and tips that you need to make everything run smoothly for the big day. Now we'll provide you with a luxury hamper, something for you to enjoy in the evening, and we've got our usual panel of experts. So we've got Theresa, who's Ireland's leading wedding planner. We've got Sharon Hoey, who is Ireland's leading wedding dress specialist. We've got Theresa Lowe, who's going to help you put together the perfect wedding speech. Sheeran will be talking through jewellery for the big day. And Twomey will be talking about well-being on the lead up to your big day. So if you're interested, the tickets are available on the link below. The date is on October the 13th, and we would love to see you there.